After almost a two-decade run, decorated para-athlete Alfonso Cunningham will be throwing his hat into the ring in two other sporting disciplines as he seeks to make a transition from athletics. Denise Walters tells us more.
Alfonso Cunningham's exploits in the sport of athletics, specifically in the field events of javelin and discus, are well known. His first medal in competition came in 2003, a gold in the discus throw at the World Games in Birmingham, England, with his last medals coming at the 2015 Pan American Games in Toronto, Canada, gold and bronze in the discus and javelin, respectively. The two-time Paralympic gold medalist is leaving the sport and will be directing his energies to table tennis and fencing. But why the switch?
I mean, age is just a number. I feel like I'm 24 still, so why not? But doing the field events for so long, it kind of causes pain to my body now. I can feel that when I'm doing, because you're doing different motions and so forth. So you feel that time, your body is telling you, yes, you reach. So taking up a harder sports now where it's not too much active. Well, for table tennis, it's active, but I still can, I like that part, and that not really active for me too much. So, I choose to take up that sports and the fencing because I really like it.
The 41-year-old believes he still has a lot to contribute.
So I feel like I wanted a change. Usually you'd retire and go one side, but I don't really want to do that. I'm a sports person, and whenever I feel, I'm a very active person, and I wanted to just to encourage people and then realize that I inspired a lot of people. So I don't want to just go sit down and be out of sight.
Cunningham recently went to a training camp in Birmingham, England as part of preparations for the upcoming Commonwealth Games, says his table tennis game has improved significantly.
TT-wise, I learned a lot, how to control the ball, how to be humble, how to build a friendship, a whole lot of things, I must say.
The Commonwealth Games will take place from July 28 to August 8. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.